Hi everyone, welcome back to Coco Beats. It's Laura here, ready to show you a step by step this easy, cute and very customizable bracelet. Don't you believe this is easy? Keep watching and I'll show you. Supplies are just a suggestion. You can use any kind of cord you want, and of course you can choose the rings you like the most. First of all, you need to cut 4 cords of your wrist measurements and 1 cord 5 or 10 centimeters longer. Hold them together, leaving the longer cord in the center. To start, insert 1 ring on the central cord. Hold it very well because this first one will be a rebel who wants to move a lot and mess your bracelet up. Hold the central cord behind and cross the 4 side cords. Now place the ring over the crossing and come through that little gap on the top of the ring. No, don't panic. I'm going to repeat this twice to be sure you get it. Insert the ring on the central cord and hold it. Now hold the cord behind the rest and cross the other 4 cords, just like this. Now place the ring over the crossing and take the central cord up through the gap. One more time. Insert the ring on the central cord. Hold that cord behind. Cross the other 4 cords. Place the ring over the crossing and now take the central cord up again through the ring. I told you, it's a piece of cake. You can combine different colors or, as I do, use only one. The choice is yours. Insert as many rings as you need for your bracelet. In my case, it was 10. To finish this bracelet, you need a clasp. I am using a magnetic one. Just pour a bit of glue on the gaps and glue it all. As you can see, I used some tape to hold all the cords together because it makes it easier to introduce them into the clasp. This is just a little tip I give to you to thank you for staying until the end of the video. As usual, I'd like to show you different options. For example, this one is made with leather cord and bigger rings. And the one you've seen in the video is made with cotton wax cord and smaller rings. This is how the back looks. Also very nice, isn't it? So well, which is your favorite style? If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial. Until then, remember, stay beautiful, smile, and be very, very, very happy!